Ancient Egyptian civilization began in Africa, along the Nile River. Modern-day Egypt is 386,650 square miles in area, which is roughly twice the size of California. However, the Egypt we know today is quite a bit smaller than it was in ancient times. At its height, which most historians agree was during the 18th dynasty, Egypt restored its control over Nubia and began military campaigns in Palestine. The country went on to establish the world's first great empire, stretching from Nubia to the Euphrates River in Asia. Ancient Egypt was the preeminent civilization in the Mediterranean world. Although the time of the ancient Egyptians has come and gone, they have left us many wonderful artifacts and structures so that we can still experience a tiny bit of what it was like back then. What do you think? Was ancient Egypt the best ancient civilization there was? Tell us what you think in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.